Hello guys, welcome back again on new video. In this video, I'm going to share the AI interview of LTI Entry. How will you going to interview at LTI Entry? All the doubts and all the experience. In this video, I'm going to share the two candidate experience who has given recently today's LTI Entry AI interview. So please make sure watch the video till the end. If you are new to our Job Sync channel, please subscribe to my channel or in the description box I will provide my Telegram channel link. So please join our Telegram channel, because in this Telegram channel I will be sharing all the updates, all the new hiring, or all the updates I am going to share in this Telegram channel. Or please join our discussion group here. 150 members are already completed. So if you have any problem, you will be you can discuss with its others. Let's start the video. In this video, I am going to share the two candidate experience which uh, which he and she is given he has given the today's AI interview. So let's start the video. Uh, so first candidate experience is I officially completed the AI interview. On the scale of 1 to 10, I would give it 9. It was easy. Ask me a coding question. When I checked for languages, I saw only three languages were available: Java, Python, and .NET. The question was easy. It was calculate the sum of the digits. So, in the AI interview, they will ask about the coding question as well as. So, this candidate given today AI interview. So he has shared me his thoughts. And yes, if you have to upload the resume, they mention to submit a format, but you can also submit docs format also. uh, First of all, if you are going this platform for the interview, they will ask you to upload your resume. So please make sure make a proper resume. I will be sharing all the details how to make the resume in next part. Please make a good resume in the PDF format. So and uh, another thing, if you immediately if you immediately have to speak right after the AI stops talking. If you stay silent for a couple of seconds, the countdown of 6 seconds starts, and after the countdown, your response is taken by the AI. You can speak for as long as you want. It means you have to speak as much as uh, the and another thing this candidate mentioned. You have to immediate you have to immediately speak, because after AI stops talking, if you stay silent for a couple of seconds, as it countdown of 6 seconds starts, and after the countdown, your response is taken by the AI. So you can speak for as long as you want. So कहने का मतलब है, जब AI ने कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछा कि इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ, आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू स्पीक इमीडिएटली आफ्टर 6 सेकेंड। AI ऑटोमेटिकली डिटेक्ट कि आप कुछ बोल नहीं रहे, तो आपका रिस्पॉन्स ऑटोमेटिकली लिया जाएगा। तो आप शांत मत बैठना, तो ऐसा करना। सो आफ्टर दैट द थर्ड थिंग, AI will analyze your resume, ask to introduce yourself, then she might be asked you to speak how you interest or develop in computer science, then some resume related question, and then last coding question. Mine was easy. It asked to find the sum of the digits in the number, and you have to do in 30 minutes in either Java, .NET, or in any language. I think in this interview only three languages having Python, Java, or .NET. So this is a second candidate. I think this is a second candidate experience. After you submitting the resume, AI will analyze your AI will analyze your resume and ask the basic question like introduce yourself and coding related question. In this interview, you only got the three languages: Python, Java, .NET. There is no C++ in this interview, so please be careful and please do some coding in Java or Python. Okay. After that, all the candidates have tell me this interview is very simple and easy to understand. So please don't make a mistake. So this is the some experiences of about the candidate who has given today interview. So अब मैं आपको कुछ ऐसी चीजें बताता हूँ जो आप इंटरव्यू में गलती बिल्कुल भी मत करना. So let's going to our this is the this is our this is you got this is got the email from the LTN entry and all the things. So why everybody why everyone did not receive this interview call? Because it's not an non-elimination round. So for all the students who got confused or stressed as they will not receive any mail for an interview, so don't worry, because this is actually non-elimination round. So and I just wanted to add something. This is also non-elimination round. So आपको इसमें बहुत अच्छा करना है, क्योंकि this opportunity is for the special opportunity, because they are providing some good offers to good candidate who has the student who scored well in good previous round. They only got this opportunity. So please please utilize this opportunity and do not do silly mistake. So it's just an opportunity for those students who are a good chance of being selected or even offer high CTC compared to what they usually offer. It means कि आप जिसने जिसने भी अपने असेसमेंट में कुछ अच्छा किया था बाकी लोगों से ज्यादा, इसको ये AI इंटरव्यू के कॉल आए, तो प्लीज मेक श्योर यूटिलाइज दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड do and give the best in your interview. But don't stress if you are not being selected for this. It's an just additional opportunity round. There will be a technical interview in person happen for all the students who got shortlisted for the first round. There will be a another in person or virtual interview will be conducted. Virtual interview conducted all the students who got shortlisted for the first round. So this opportunity is for the special opportunity which is provided which is provided to the students who scored well good in the assessment. So and it's a non elimination round. So मैं आपको कुछ ऐसी चीजें बताता हूँ जिससे आपको कुछ फायदा हो सके. सो आपको क्या करना है, मेक अ सिंपल एंड क्लीन रिज्यूमे. मेक श्योर योर resume is simple and clean resume, because it's a AI interview. So AI will understand, or AI will ask those things which you put in your resume. So please make sure make a simple and clean resume, and those things in your please add only those things in your resume which you know. Add project, add one programming language. Please do not mention those tech stack which you don't know, because it's a AI interview. As I already mentioned, please don't mention those tech stack which you don't know, because it's an AI interview. What is a Barry Mastermind platform? So आपको Barry Mastermind platform पे ये AI interview होता है usually. आपको क्या है मतलब कि इट्स अ AI powered interview platform है. It's evaluates communication skill, problem solving ability, behavior, response, and technical knowledge. So technical uh, uh, technical preparation for you focuses on DSA, focuses on DSA and OOPS concepts. So as I already said, focus on 1 to 2 coding questions. There will be an only 3 language: Java, .NET, and Python. And please make sure focuses on OOPS concept. Practice array, string, linked list, tag questions. Solve 10 to 15 cheat code problem. As you know, if you have time, then please solve the 10 to 15 question on cheat code. Revise the project and technology if you use in your if you uh, revise the project and technology which you choose in your projects. And projects and resume question. What will be the projects and resume question? This is some expectation. This is some expected question which I already add in this PPT. So please make sure go through this question. So how will you explain project in 5 steps? Just explain the project introduction. What is your role in your project? Tool, tech stack, and outcome of this project. Please all these 5 steps. Please mention in your if you if they ask you to explain the project, please mention all these 5 steps. So next, final HR interview and standard question. This is an AI interview, so they have added some HR interview question also. So which is which can be tell me about yourself. 100% they will ask this question: why should we hire you? Train time, weaknesses, willing to relocate, team experience, all these HR question they will be asking. इसकी ज्यादा प्रोबेबिलिटी है आपको क्वेश्चन पूछने की. इट मीन्स HR क्वेश्चन is a very simple and basic question. And what is this barriers platform checks? Communication, it will check communication and the presentation. Speak clearly and slowly. Avoid the filter words like maintain the confident tone and posture, and practice and record yourself. So for this video, that's it. If you have any queries, please comment down. So thank you for this video.